Welcome to Udable.com.
इस ऑडियो या वीडियो को शुरू करने से पहले कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट बात मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं। इस वीडियो या ऑडियो को दिन में 3 बार सुनना है और यही वीडियो या ऑडियो लगातार 7 दिन तक दिन में 3 बार सुनना है। I am Raju. Who am I? I am Raju. I am in the park. Where am I? I am in the park. I am happy. I am not sad. Am I happy or sad? I am happy. This is Reena. She is my friend. Who is she? She is my friend. She is in the park too. She is not alone. Is she alone? No, she is not alone. This is Amit. Who is this? This is Amit. He is my brother. Who is he? He is my brother. He is on the swing. He is not tired. Is he tired? No, he is not tired. Look at the dog. It is small. How is the dog? Small or big? It is small. It is brown. It is not bad. We are together. We are happy. How are we? We are happy. We are friends. We are not enemies. Are we enemies? No, we are not enemies. Reena and Amit are my friends. Who are Reena and Amit? Reena and Amit are my friends. They run. They are very fast. They are not slow. Are they fast or slow? They are fast. You are my friend too. You are here with us. You are smiling. You are not sad. Are you sad? No, you are not sad.